Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope it's going well again. Today we're going to be going over the pricing on all the options on this 2013 R1200 GS. I consider this to be the golden age of the pricing of the BMW GS. The new 1300s fully spec'd are over $30,000 now. And this bike back in its prime started at $15,000 and some change, so almost doubling in prices in the past decade. Honestly, these bikes seem like a way better deal back then, but you know, inflation and everything else nowadays, it's a totally different story. But anyways, today we are going to go over the packages available for this bike, what's all in them, the cost of the packages, and the total cost of a bike with all the options or none of the options, or if you want this package or that package, and what comes in each of those packages. So with that, let's get into it.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe today.
So the base price for the 2013 GS, the first year the BMW liquid cooled the Boxer motor, is $15,800. And for that $15,800, you got a few standard options. First of all, disengageable ABS. You got aluminum engine guards. I'm not quite sure what that means because these crash bars definitely are not stock. So whatever aluminum engine guards means. You also got a center stand. You got a power accessory outlet to charge your phone if you have the right accessory for that. White turn signal LED lenses for your turn signals. Got the new computer for the new liquid cooled bikes. You got a height adjustable rider and passenger seat, which was new. The passenger seat specifically could move longitudinally now, which was a first. You also got an adjustable windscreen, which was stepless and was a first for the GS's. You also obviously got rider and passenger foot pegs, but new for the liquid cooled bikes, the passenger foot pegs could be taken off for the first time. The cheapest and first package that we're going to get into is called the standard package, bringing this bike up $800 to a grand total of $16,600. This package offered heated grips, cruise control, and saddlebag mounts. That's it. Pretty good deal if you want the cruise control and heated grips. Kind of great, nice options. Something you'd want. But I think there are better packages down the line if you want things like cruise control and the heated grips, which include more for just a little bit more money, but you obviously get way more options with those packages. The next package is the premium package, coming in at a price of $2,190, bringing the total MSRP for this bike to $17,990 for the premium package. This package includes everything listed in the base package, along with everything listed in the touring package. The touring package is priced at $1,450, which features dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, onboard computer pro, which was new for the liquid cooled GS's. This included features like automatic trip, gas mileage, and a few other options. You'd have to look them up. I can also list them here if I want to. This also included GPS preparation and chrome exhaust, along with heated grips and extra handlebar protection. Another package option is the active package, valued at $740. This package features Enduro ASC and riding modes, which was new for the liquid cooled GS, and cruise control. Then there is the Premium Plus package, bringing the total MSRP of the bike up to $18,870, valuing this package at $3,070. This is the top of the tier, including everything, fully maxed out, everything you can buy from the factory package. This includes everything in the base package and the comfort package, and overall has the heated grips, tire pressure monitoring system, hand protection, saddlebag mounts, and everything included in the dynamic package, which is also valued at $2,100, featuring the Enduro ASC mode, all the ride modes, dynamic ESA, the LED headlight, onboard computer pro, GPS preparation, and cruise control. So every option available.
Hey guys, Future Me here. Just wanted to talk about a few of the other mods that are on this bike that didn't come with the packages, but they weren't aftermarket mods. They were mods from the factory that were optional and did not come with the packages. So our first one here is the aluminum side cases. They are $719 each. So $719 for the left, $719 for the right. That coming to $1,440 roughly. Then I also have the Vario top case, $744 for that. And then there is the Enduro Pro coating plug, which enables the Enduro Pro mode, turning off all the traction control and ABS. That is $28 from BMW. And then last of all, my Navigator 5, as I mentioned, that comes to a price of $899 with a cradle mount, and the Navigator 4 that the bike came with the cradle mount. So I would say from factory that would be $899. However, the Navigator 5s are now down to around $300, but keeping with the previous theme of always doing the highest price from the factory, $899 for that, giving us a total price for all the factory options, the side cases, the coating plug, the top case, the GPS, and the premium package plus, giving that a total cost $6,182. The other thing that I did want to mention is looking back at all the different packages, the only difference I found between the premium package and the premium plus package is the fact that you get an LED headlight. So that headlight actually costs around $1,000 and is a great indicator that a bike has the premium plus package, as if it has the LED headlight instead of the halogen headlight. So if you see that, you know a bike has everything fully loaded. It's going to have cruise and all the other options. So just a thing I noticed there, and back to previous me.
So I hope that's clear what every package includes throughout the process of this video. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.